Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone iOS and the app version so you know compatibility. Check storage because low space often causes instability. Next, force quit the app and then restart the phone to clear transient issues. Once done, make sure background app refresh and location permissions are correct for that app because missing permissions can trigger failures. If updates are available, update the app now. That often fixes known crashes by replacing faulty code. You should delete and reinstall the app next. That removes corrupted caches and forces fresh configuration files. Once reinstalled, sign back in and test. If crashes persist, reset network settings or toggle Wi-Fi and cellular data because network failures can cause timeouts that crash apps. You can also check analytics and improvements for crash logs to see patterns. This helps decide whether to contact the developer. Make sure the app has required permissions and try again. If the problem remains, update iOS to the latest stable release because system fixes often resolve app crashes. If a new iOS caused the issue, consider temporary rollback or wait for a patch. Collect the crash log and device model, then contact app support with those details so they can reproduce and fix the bug. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep configuration issues. Remember, this is final and time-consuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.